Hello guys, welcome back. New brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPhone and iPad and able to check for the update. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds. You have turn it on, and after that go back. From here you as can see aeroplane mode. What you need to do it, turn on at least the 30 seconds. You have turn off, and after that check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll it down, tap on journal, then tap on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on board toggle and select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.